Hey, it's Nadine, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm hopping onto the bandwagon and I'm doing the video that everyone has been doing. It's the doing someone's makeup tutorial or trying out someone's makeup tutorial tag challenge video thing. And I'm super excited to be doing this, but I'm just gonna do a quick side note first. This video is gonna be super duper chill because right now, like yesterday, I just had my wisdom teeth removed, and I mean, thankfully my face isn't super duper swollen, so I get to film videos. So the point is, if I'm talking weird and if I look like tired or like out of it, it's probably because of the painkillers that I'm taking. Just kidding. And also, this video is going to be taglish because I just want this video to be super duper chill. I didn't even tell you guys who I'm copying or following for the tutorial, and I'm doing RAIZA CONTAWI, Miss RAIZA CONTAWI, kasi I really like her makeup looks ever since before pa. Like, I've been following her for the longest time, and she's one of the Filipino YouTubers that I really trust. I'm doing the Nadine Lustre inspired makeup tutorial because throughout the video, I haven't really watched the whole video yet, but she mentions Nadine, and because me and Nadine have the same name, I'm like the lesser known Nadine, the not that relevant Nadine, but I'm still a Nadine. I thought it would be cute kasi parang feeling ko ina-address niya ako kahit hindi naman ako talaga yun. It just makes me feel a lot better about myself and my relevancy. By the way, I don't really have a lot of makeup, so I'm just gonna make do with what I have, and hopefully the look will be similar to what RAIZA makes. Let's get started.
And if you're a Nadine or Jaylene fan,
I'm gonna tie my hair up first.
She always dons this parang everyday, very fresh ng the look. So I'm going to start with the primer first, and I'm using this Eyeliner Pro Prep HD High.
I don't have her primer, so I'm just using this.
This on parts na mayroong shine, so on forehead and
Oops.
cheeks lang.
Forehead and cheeks now.
I'm using Jouer Essential High Coverage Cream Foundation. Feeling ko shade ko naman. Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, it's perfect!
Ay! Ganda naman ni ate!
Wow, that
okay.
is high coverage.
Wala akong Jouer. Parang sobrang social ng pangalan. Jouer. I don't know if it's in French, whatever, but I'm just gonna use Max Factor Lasting Performance. So, she uses a brush to apply her foundation, and I normally don't. So, I'm gonna grab a brush lang. Okay, so she's applying it on one side of her face first. That's the right side. So, I'm gonna do that first.
Wow, that is high coverage. And to blend everything out.
Okay, so she applies with a brush and then she blends everything in with a beauty blender. And then iba-blend ko with the beauty blender. Pero syempre, wala akong tunay na beauty blender. Medyo cheapy pa lang ako, so I'm using this one. It's AOA. I'm gonna damp this lang first, ha? Wait lang po. Okay. Guys. Oh yeah! So it did, medyo nag-ano nga yung face ko, no? Nagmaga. Pero hindi yung sobra. Foundation complete.
So I'm just going to conceal and highlight at the same time using this Maybelline's Fit Me. And I'm just going to apply.
I actually have the product that she's using, Maybelline Fit Me in Sand, and I think she's doing little triangles. Oh no.
And on my forehead.
Ganun ata. She's not making triangles, just like the ganun. Wow. This is actually my mom's concealer that I had to borrow. And she makes a triangle up here, and she fills it in.
Instagram page because he's Nadine's makeup artist. After the base foundation, I'm just going to set my under eye with this 170 HD setting powder.
Wait lang. Blend. Okay, nice. Sakto. Pweds na. Foundation complete. Now, I'm gonna set. Wala akong sponge na katulad kay RAIZA. I'm just gonna use the other side of my beauty blender, which I'm not sure if that's okay kasi basa yung beauty blender ko, but we will just see. I'm not sure if this is correct, but we're just gonna go with it, guys. We're just gonna go with it.
I'm going to use this L'Oreal Brow Artist Designer Pro. And then may pagka-brown and full pa yung brows niya. So I'm going to use this Essence The Velvets. And I'm just going to fill in the gaps and just make it extra darker.
I think I have to overline my eyebrows kasi medyo thick yung sa kanya. After that, she said use a brown brow powder. I'm just using this brown to fill in the gaps daw.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
I-blend ko lang muna itong chocolate dito sa may outer.
Yep, guys, I don't really have parang cream na stick like that. So I'm just going to have to use eyeshadow, I think. So medyo brown color siya. Let's see what I have. Maybe this will work. Ooh, fun fact, I actually won this from her giveaway like a while back. Outer V daw, outer V.
And then para may warmth yung eyes.
Sobrang dark, guys.
Going to use this shade right here. And then, i-apply ko siya kung saan tayo nag-nude sticks chocolate.
Medyo nag-add siya ng brown, like light brown on top of the nude sticks. Wala naman tayong nude stick, so I'm using this color na lang and on top of it.
Natin siya, medyo ikakalat.
I'll apply this to the center of my eyelid.
And then using the same velvet eyeshadow kanina yung ginamit natin dito sa may brows, ang gagawin ko, medyo i-deepen ko lang itong crease. I'm going to start here.
Okay, we're gonna deepen the crease now. And he's using like an angled brush with another brown shade. Put it in the crease, like that.
With the shade, it's color black. And maganda na gumamit na lang kayo ng pencil and gel para mas soft or para mas diffused yung eyeliner. So I'm going to somehow tightline muna.
Okay.
And then smudge.
I actually don't own pencil eyeliners na black. So I'm just gonna use a black eyeshadow para soft burn yung look. I don't think I can get this super close to my lashes, but I'm gonna try.
The reason why you have to smudge it right away is that this eyeliner sets very quickly. And then, once na makagawa na kayo ng regular eyeliner, ang gagawin natin medyo i-extend natin siya ng paano lang. Parang straight, hindi siya wing.
Okay guys, it just looks super bad.
And then I'm going to stick on the lashes. Make sure na hindi siya sobrang kapal and sobrang dramatic.
I don't own eyelashes or eyelash glue, so I can't really do that. So we're just gonna skip that.
Dramatic. And then underneath the eyes, dito sa may inner corner, I'm going to use the same velvet eyeshadow. Ilalagay ko siya dito sa inner corner. Now it's time for the cheeks.
Inner corner na?
Use this nude sticks. Ang ganda ng pagkakapink niya, and I feel like it's the perfect pink. I'm going to apply it here, a bit below.
Below the apples? Below the cheekbone.
And then on the bridge of the nose. And then I'm going to set my jawline muna using the Gino Macrae and the rest of my face as well. So dito sa...
Wait lang. Around here at that. Setting the face with some powder.
Jaw.
O medyo tap pala.
So forehead.
Jaw.
And it's time to contour. And I'm going to contour with heavy cool tone dito sa gitna.
Cool toned. I have this. Is this okay?
I'm going to start sa jawline ko.
Jawline.
Okay. And then sa ilalim ng cheekbone.
Cheekbone?
Just going to kind of sculpt my cheeks right here.
I'm really like putting so much powder. Hopefully it's doing something. Sculpt it! Sculpt me! She's gonna line her lips. I don't own lip liners then.
And then for my lipstick, I'm going to use my favorite nude liquid lipstick.
So hard. I'm so bad.
And then I'm just gonna put on some hoops.
I do not own hoops kasi wala akong butas sa mata, labi, ilong, takong. I don't know. What are ears? Oh my gosh, Nids. Ears. Tenga! Wala akong butas sa tenga ko. Oh! Pak! Woo! Wait lang. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, my hair's still wet, guys. We need to look that good, girl. We got this. Okay, let's try to do the poses. Let's do some poses. Okay, that took a lot of work. Like, I cannot take myself seriously whenever I pose for like beauty shots. I can't do it. But RAIZA looks like amazing and so beautiful and so like gorgeous. Like, she slays at makeup. Okay, honestly, I think I did really bad. I think I did really poorly. I had a fun time like actually following someone's tutorial while doing my own makeup. I look so Chinese right now, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and you found it a bit like entertaining. I'm gonna get this. I cannot rock this hairstyle because my face is like round, but hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you want to see more videos, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also subscribe to RAIZA Contawi's channel. Like, her content is amazing and she has really well done, well filmed and actual like helpful makeup tutorials. This video was from my heart to yours. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. This hurts.